Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of the square root of x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine of the square root of x over number 2 of the square root of x. Because we do first derivative of sine x, sine in here, you got about cosine. Later that, we need to do first derivative of the square root of x. So we have 1 over number 2 with the square root of x. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When x equals to this one, so I will put this one gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. So this one we keep the same. This one we change by number 1. This one we change by u. This one, and this one we change by 2 du. The integration of u, we have u square over 2, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Number 2 divided by 2, we have u square. And now we have the final answer. That is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.